Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Hollyland Lark M1 wireless lavalier microphone with noise cancellation. Alright, so right here we have the Hollyland Lark M1 wireless lavalier. This one works with any system, Windows, Mac, Linux, iPhones, Androids. You can use this with streaming. So they do offer it in several different colors. This is the black. They have white, light green, light pink, light purple, and there's also an orange. So you can use this for podcast, live streaming. You can use this if you do your videos on YouTube. So this one here comes with the 2TX and 1RX, which is basically 2 microphones and 1 receiver. So let's jump into the box and see what we do get in this one. So like I said before, this is a one-click noise cancellation to make your voice clearer and clean. And it is super lightweight, 0.4 ounce or 11.8 grams. It is super thin, under 1 centimeter thin. It does come with a little travel case. So charging 1.5 hours. It uses up to 8 hours of continuously podcasting, total of 20 hours with the charging case. You can capture up to 650 or 200 miles long range transmission. So the remote recording with the interface free and auto frequency with a hopping technology. So right here it does come with the 3.5 millimeter jack. You do get the Type-C charging cable into the USB, so you can connect this with an iPhone, iPad, but it does recommend purchasing the Lightning to 3.5, which is not included. So here is the owner's manual, and again you can connect this to an Android phone or tablet. So you'll need a 3.5 millimeter TRS to TRRS, which is not included. So this just gives you a little quick start guide. So you can introduce a Hollyland Lark M1 wireless lapel microphone, which is perfect for video creators. So this is just telling you how to connect it to any smartphone, Android or iOS, as well as a camera if you're using that for your videos. You just need to purchase this separately, which is the TRS iPhone as well as Android. So right here is the back telling you can connect it to a camera. So this is an adapter that you need to purchase separately. So and this is the user manual, and that will explain everything on how to use it, how to connect it, where to put the microphone. Now this part right here tells you how to connect to the iPhone as well as a camera, and you have some extra specs right here. The great thing about this that it works up to 656 long range with a wireless technology, and the Lark M1 lapel wireless microphone supports up to 650 with a stable and reliable high fidelity auto recording. Its working distance on open space makes it easy to handle environments. So here at the bottom you have a Type-C charging port, and this is a display letting you know how much battery is left on the case itself. It is super lightweight. You can take this with you on the go. So once you open it up, you can see you have 2 microphones. There's a microphone right here, and then you have the receiver right in the middle. So you can connect this via Type-C or as 3.5 millimeter jack. This is a Type-C. You have your volume up, volume down, play and pause. And on the other side right here you have the charging port that goes on the bottom of here, and it charges it. And then you also have your power button, and then you have your out, which is your 3.5 millimeter, and it does come with a little clip. So you can clip this onto your phone or you can clip it onto your camera. So right here is the microphone. So you have the mute button, you have the power button, and then at the very bottom it has a little charging ports. You will remove those little plastic thing right here just so you can put it in there and start charging it. So this has a wide compatibility which works with all kind of devices, which includes a 3.5 millimeter TRS to TRS cable for all kinds of DSLR cameras, and a 3.5 millimeter TRS to TRS cable from computers, phones, with a port to a lightning cable, which those ones are not included. So this is the power button, there's the mute button, and at the top you do have the microphone itself. So they do come with pop filters. You get 2 of them for each microphone. These ones look a little funky, a little hairy things, but they do actually work. So what you do is you just slide it on there. You can see here at the top the punch out for the clip. You just push it in there right there, and it will actually shield any noise. It is super nice. The dimensions of this is 3.27 by 2.36 by 1.18 inches. They weigh about 3.84 ounces. This does have a lithium polymer batteries, which is included. So I definitely say this is a very nice microphone. I have been through so many microphones on testing them out. The last one that I had was the Lark 150, which gave you 2 microphones and 1 receiver. It ranges really nice. The only problem I had is with my computer. So like this one here, you can see the display lights right there will show you what the battery status of both the microphones and the receiver. So this one right now is just telling you about this charging case. It is completely fully charged. So if you want to charge it, you would just take the provided Type-C to USB, plug it into an outlet. You can plug it into your computer or a power bank to charge it. It is super easy and convenient. So what I'm going to do is remove this, and I did buy a TRS to a Type-C port so I can plug it into one of my phones that I do have. I have also purchased the TRS to the iPhone. So this one right here is the TRS to the Type-C plug. And I also purchased the one for the iPhone because I do have many devices that uses either or. So this one is not included. You have to purchase that separately. So this one here is the iPhone connection. So if you want to use this with your iPhone, it is highly recommended to purchase that separately. This one here is for the Type-C. So if you have an Android that uses the Type-C, you can use that. So you would just plug this one in into the receiver. And the other part, you would plug that into your phone or your device. Same thing as with the iPhone, you'd have to do the exact same thing. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it to my son's iPhone, and we're going to go ahead and test the audio. So we're going to plug it in the 3.5mm jack. So now this is the lightning cable that I purchased separately. I'm going to plug it into my phone. I'm going to record like I normally record, but this time I'm going to actually use the microphone. So I'm going to pull this one out, and I'm going to test the volume, and I'll come back when you can hear the volume.
Noon watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next video.
As you can hear, it's a very nice, clear sound of this microphone. I like the fact that you can use it with any devices, any computers, any cell phones. If you have an iPhone or you have an Android phone, it works, but it is highly recommended you pick it up those extra parts. That is not included, but if you're looking for a super nice microphone that works just about anything that you can use, I would highly recommend checking out this Hollyland Lark M1 microphone.